A lot of people assume blurry vision is just part of getting older, something you accept and move on from. You wake up with dry, scratchy eyes. Headlights blind you at night. You grip the steering wheel tighter than you used to. But here's what most doctors never tell you. The real damage is happening while you sleep. Your retina isn't getting the oxygen it needs. Those delicate cells begin breaking down, slowly, silently. And most people don't notice until it's too late. But recent research has found something genuinely exciting. 7 everyday fruits contain powerful compounds your eyes are literally craving during sleep. And one of them, sitting in most kitchens right now, contains a natural enzyme that fights one of the most destructive processes behind cloudy lenses and early cataracts. Stay with me, but first, pause right now and drop a comment. Tell me your age and whether you've noticed any changes in your vision. I read and reply to every single comment. Let's count down from 7. Number 7. Kiwi. Specifically, golden kiwi. Eat 2 about an hour before bed. Golden kiwi is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, natural filters that sit inside your retina and protect against blue light damage overnight. Do not peel all the way to the edge. That inner flesh contains concentrated antioxidants. Scoop with a spoon and leave that edge intact. Number 6. Watermelon. 1 to 2 cups, 30 minutes before bed. Skip the salt. Added sodium raises eye pressure. Watermelon delivers lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports circulation to the retina during sleep. Number 5. Black currants. Hard to find fresh, so look for a 50 mg anthocyanin extract taken in the evening. This targets retinal inflammation and restores rhodopsin, the pigment your eyes need to adjust from light to darkness. Pair with a few walnuts for better absorption. Number 4. Wild blueberries. Not the large shiny ones, the small dark ones from the frozen section. 1/3 cup, 45 minutes before bed. Lightly freeze, then thaw before eating. This breaks down cell walls and dramatically increases what your eyes can actually absorb. Never combine with dairy. Number 3. Red dragon fruit. Half a fruit, 1 hour before bed. The red flesh variety only. Chew the black seeds. They contain omega-3s and magnesium for retinal nerve repair. Number 2. Goji berries. Soak 2 tablespoons in warm water for 10 minutes, then eat 30 minutes before bed. Goji berries are among the highest sources of zeaxanthin on Earth, which concentrates directly in your macula, your center of vision. Pair with a small square of 85% dark chocolate for better absorption. And number 1, papaya. 1 cup of ripe papaya, room temperature, 1 hour before bed. Papaya targets glycation, the process where blood sugar silently clouds your lens. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the top. It dramatically boosts vitamin A absorption. Never combine with dairy. 3 rules to remember. 1. Always add a small healthy fat like walnuts or avocado to boost absorption by over 50%. 2. Room temperature only. Cold suppresses enzyme activity. 3. Eat 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Not earlier, not later. That is your eye repair window. Now here's my final question. If your vision cleared up tomorrow morning, what's the very first thing you'd want to see? Your family? A sunrise? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you, hit subscribe. This is FitFixen. We're protecting your vision naturally, one night at a time.